Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Manalita. Welcome. So today I recorded this super simple look. It's super realistic, 10-minute look and you're out the door. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this, stick around. The first thing I like to do is take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, and I like to put it right underneath my brows just to shape them up. I need to pluck them. So this concealer just makes them look like they're done, I guess. Comment down below if you wax your eyebrows or if you tweeze them like I do. I just like to take my finger and clean that up. You guys, I used to get my eyebrows waxed, and I did this, I guess, for some years. And they just used to be so skinny, but I guess the skinny look was in, like, I don't know, mid-2000s. The next thing I like to go in with is the 24-hour brow setter. And that's just to fix my hairs a little bit. As y'all know, if y'all haven't watched my ombre powder brow experience, I have that video. I'll link that down below. But because I got them ombre on regular days where I'm just trying to, you know, do a little something but not too much, I just don't even bother with them. I just use this, use a little bit of the concealer, and I'm good to go. So that's all I'm gonna do for that. So I either use some eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna go in with that shade there, and I just put it all over like that. Nothing too crazy. Like, I do not spend a lot of time on my makeup, like for just a regular natural vibe. Well, I don't know how natural you can be with makeup on, but y'all know what I'm talking about. See? And then boom. I am not going to be using eyeliner today, but I am going to put some lashes on just because I'm trying to be a little extra. So these are the lashes I'll be using. So I'm just going to put the glue on, and then, you know what? I'm going to do it how I never really do it, to be honest. But I was watching this video and they're like, yeah, just put the glue onto your lashes and then stick your lashes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give that a try today. I don't know if your lashes are mad curly, but for a long time I really did struggle with putting lashes on because of the fact that my lashes are so curly. So like, I'd be putting the lashes on and then I'd be gluing them onto my lashes because my lashes curled up so bad. But I guess practice helped me overcome that little problem. And because I have curly lashes, you always see me like doing this. Alright, so I'm all done with lashes, and now I'm gonna go in with that same concealer, and I'm just going to conceal under my eyes a little bit. Nothing too crazy. And then I'll see if I want a little more coverage. And then I'll just put a little more there. This routine takes me 15 minutes tops, and that's if I'm like really chilling with it. But then I go in with the CoverGirl pressed powder in the color medium deep. I'm about to show y'all this. Y'all don't judge me. I can't find this in stores. I think they discontinued it, but y'all. But I'm gonna ride with her just like she been riding with me to the end, because I just love this under the eye whenever I do something super simple. It just is so natural. Got all the natural vibes. Boom. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Look, I used to say that in high school. But yeah. And that's all I do for that. Then I'm gonna do a little contouring. You know what I'm saying? Boom. And honestly, I'm gonna just take my finger and just do it like that. Now, of course, you can always use a brush. Sometimes, like if I'm doing something like this, I'm trying to get out the house, or you know what I mean? I don't have time to go gather all my brushes and all that good stuff. So that's all I'm gonna do for that. I'm not even going to powder it. You can, you know, you can always add more if you like, but I don't think it'd be necessary. The next thing that I'll do is going in with this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Going with this, and I'm just gonna go pretty much all over the face with this. This is just like a lightweight powder that just gives you that that you need. That anyways, gives you that that thing. And these days I tend to be a little more on the oily side, so I find that, you know, this powder is cute for that. Like, it removes some of the oiliness from your face, so I just put that all over. And that's about it for that. I got a little bit of a line, so let me just blend that out. I'm not going to be contouring my face because I don't think it's necessary at all. I am going in with my favorite highlighter. It's like a holy grail. Just the shade is just so pretty to me. Put it there, and to make my eyes pop, I'm gonna go in with that the blending brush that I used earlier, and I just love placing highlighter on my brow bone. I just feel like it gives it a little pop. And that's all for that. A little bit of lip gloss. This is the Vintage lip gloss by Jessica Lebeskind. I don't know, but yeah, this is such a pretty one. Has a little bit of a shimmer to it, and that's all that I do, guys. Truly, that's the look. Realistically speaking, this can take you 10 minutes to do, 7 if you really going at it. But yeah, so let me take this off my head and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I think it came out really nice. Super quick. This is not the type of look that you have to have perfect eyeshadow, perfect whatever. Like, no. This is super quick, super realistic, straight out the door with it. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe down below, and until next time.